Kembali lagi di channel Autodidak, tempat dimana kita belajar secara mandiri. Pada video ini saya akan mencoba untuk mengerjakan langsung communicating between network exam atau soal tentang communicating between network yang ada di Cisco. Oke, langsung saja saya klik langsung untuk mengerjakan modulnya. Ini modul 8 sampai 10 materinya, dan examnya tentang communicating between network. Langsung saja take assessment. Durasinya 1 jam ya, 1 hour. Langsung kita tunggu loadingnya. Oke, loadingnya udah kelar. Sekarang kita tinggal klik begin assessment. Nah, kita sudah memasuki soalnya. Kita dikasih waktu 1 jam atau 1 hour untuk mengerjakan examnya, to finishing the exam. Number 1, what property of ERP allows MAC address of frequently used server to be fixed in the ERP table? And the answer is a static IP to MAC address entry can be entered manually into an ERP table. Okay, next. Number 2, which parameter does the router use to choose the path to the destination when there are multiple routers available? And the answer is the lower metric value that is associated with the destination network. Okay, next. Number 3, when transporting data from real-time applications such as streaming audio and video, which field in the IPv6 header can be used to inform the routers and switches to maintain the same path for the packets in the same conversation? And the answer is flow label. Next. Number 4, which field in the IP4 header is used to prevent a packet from traversing a network endlessly? And the answer is time to life. Next. Number 5, how do hosts ensure that their packets are directed to the correct network destination? And the answer is they have to keep their own local routing table that contains a route to the loopback interface, a local network route, and a remote default route. Next. Number 6, what information does the loopback task provide? And the answer is the TCP or IP stack on device is working correctly. Next. Number 7, what IPv4 header field identifies the upper layer protocol carried in the packet? And the answer is protocol. Next. Number 8, what is one advantage that the IPv6 simplified header offers over IPv4? And the answer is efficient packet handling. Next. Number 9, which statement describes a feature of the IP protocols? And the answer is IP release on upper layer service to handle situations of missing or out of order packets. Okay, next. Number 10, what routing table entry has a next hop address associated with a destination network? And the answer is remote routes. Next. Number 11, which interfaces in each router are active and operational? From pt activity. You must open it. And the answer is R1 G0/0 and S0/0/0, R2 G0/1 and S0/0/0. Okay, next. Number 12. What is the effect of using this command on a router? And the answer is the contents of NVRAM will change. Next, number 13. What are two potential network problems that can result from EARP operations? Choose two. And the answer is on large network with low bandwidth, multiple ARP broadcasts could cause data communications delays. And we have to choose two. Network attackers could manipulate MAC address and IP address mapping in ARP messages with the intent of intercepting network traffic. Okay, next. Number 14. What will happen if the default gateway address is incorrectly configured on a host? And the answer is the host cannot communicate with hosts in other networks. Next, number 15. Kita lihat ini nanya apa? Script dari konfigurasi. And the question is what IP address will be configured as the default gateway on the new host? And the answer is 10.27.14.148. Okay, next. Number 16. Which statement describe the treatment of ARP requests on the local link? And the answer is they are received and processed by every device on the local network. Next, number 17. Where are IPv4 address to layer 2 Ethernet address mapping maintained on a host computer? And the answer is ARP cache. Next, number 18. What statement describes the function of the address resolution protocol? And the answer is ARP is used to discover the MAC address of any host on the local network. Okay, next. Number 19. Under which two circumstances will a switch put a frame out of every port except the port that the frame was received on? Choose two. And the answer is the frame has the broadcast address as the destination's address and the destination address is unknown to the switch. Next, which destination address is used in an ARP request frame? And the answer is FFFF.FFFF.FFFF. Ini itu ya, yang dipakai yang ini. Okay, next. Number 21. A network technician issues this command on a PC after the router that is connected to the LAN is reconfigured. What is the result after this command is issued? And the answer is the ARP cache is cleared. Okay, next. Number 22. What is the aim of an ARP spoofing attack? And the answer is to associate IP addresses to the wrong MAC address. Okay, next. Number 23. which term describes a field in the IPv4 packet header that contains a 4-bit binary value set to 0100, and the answer is version. Next, number 24, the global configurations command is applied to a switch. What is the effect of this command? And the answer is the switch can be remotely managed from a host on another network. Number 25, match the commands to the correct actions. Not all options are used. Oke, yang provide security on the console ini buat konfigurasi password class ya. Jadi ini di sini router config line password class, and then displays a message when the router is accessed. Itu ada di banner MOTD. And then configures a name on the router. Itu ada di router config host name. Oke. Number 26, match the description to the access method. Oke. Yang remote access via dial-up connection ini ada, kita matchkan dengan aux. And then preferred out of band access method itu matchnya sama cancel. And remote access method that use encryption itu matching ke SSH. And the last one, unsecure remote access itu match on the telnet. 27, which three commands are used to set up secure access to the router through connections to the console interface? We have to choose three, and the answer is LAN console 0, password Cisco, and login. Number 28, a new network administrator has been asked to enter a banner message on a Cisco device. What is the fastest way a network administrator could test whether the banner is properly configured? And the answer is exit privilege exec mode and press enter. Next, number 29, which IP address does the user PC target in order to forward its data of the local network? And the answer is 172.20.0.254. Next, number 30, we have to match the command with the device mode at which the command is entered. Login is matched to R1 config line. Kemudian IP address matchnya sama R1 config if. And then service password encryption ini R1 config. And then HP running ini matchnya sama yang bawah, enable sama yang ini. Oke. Number 31, we have to match the configurations mode with the command that is available in that mode. Jadi ini kebalikan yang tadi ya. Langsung saja yang R1 config line ini untuk login, kemudian R1 pagar ini untuk copy running config, kebalikan yang tadi. Kemudian R1 config router, bentar, R1 dulu, R1 untuk enable sama kayak yang tadi. R1 config pagar ini untuk interface fasternet. Oh, jadi yang nggak kepake ini yang router ya, ini router untuk router, sama kayak tadi persis kebalikannya. Oke, next. Number 32, which two functions are primary functions of a router? Choose two. And the answer is packet forwarding and path selection. Next. The last number, we have to match the passes to the function during the boot up process of a Cisco router. Pass 1 ini perform the pause and load the bootstrap program. Pass 2 itu locate and load the Cisco iOS software. Pass 3 itu locate and load the startup configuration file. Kita submit langsung. Grade assessment. Oke, hasilnya sudah ada 100% semua, berarti kita sudah mengerjakannya dengan baik dan benar. Oke, sekian dulu video dari saya, semoga bermanfaat dan bisa menjadikan referensi bagi teman-teman untuk mengerjakan communicating between network exam yang ada di Cisco pada ITN version 7.00. Sekian dulu dari saya, sampai jumpa.